Hey YouTube. So, I did some aesthetic things, painting and putting on valve covers. So that's just to see what it looks like since I did this. I'm like, I just gotta see. So, yeah. I put rubber gloves in the exhaust ports, like old rubber gloves, and spray painted and then razor bladed off the mating surfaces. Not really necessary, but there's just something in my brain that says there shouldn't be paint on mating surfaces. And who knows? I mean, the paint would just get baked off probably, but whatever. And this is not painted for reals, because I was just, after I do a coat of paint, I turn the can upside down and spray till the straw is clear of material, and that's where that overspray or whatever extra paint went. So I am very pleased with this so far. These spark plugs obviously will be replaced, but if I've got something to fill the hole, I'll leave it in the hole. So I'm going to see if I can spin this around and see if I can get any useful video of the cam bearings. I was identifying these things as cam bearings, and clearly they are not. So, how am I going to do this? Hang on a sec. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. And summon my light. That's not a bad, I can actually see it better on the camera than I could by naked eye. See a lifter, or the lifters sticking in at the tops there. And that's as close in as I can get you. So the the bearings look okay. I mean, no flaked surfaces, chips. Looks all right. So that's what it looks like. Dead cam on floor.